In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect your OneDrive folders and files. This is an essential skill if you want to ensure your sensitive information remains secure. Let's walk through the process together so you can confidently protect your digital files. To start, make sure you're logged into your Microsoft account. Head over to the official website and enter your credentials. This step is crucial because without logging in, you won't have access to OneDrive or any of its features. Once you've successfully logged in, take a moment to ensure everything is in order as you're about to access your files. Now that you're logged in, look for the Apps Launcher. It's that small grid of dots in the upper left corner of your screen. When you click on it, a menu will appear displaying various Microsoft apps. Here, you'll find OneDrive. Go ahead and click on OneDrive to open it up. Navigating your way to your files is straightforward. Find and click on My Files in the left-hand sidebar. This action will display all the folders and files you have stored in OneDrive. It's your personal digital filing cabinet where all your work and personal files are organized. Next, you need to select the particular file or folder you want to protect. Just click on the file or folder and it should be highlighted indicating that it's selected. Once you've selected the file or folder, look for the Share button, which is usually located at the top of the interface or when you right click on the item. This option is your gateway to adjusting who can access your files and how they're shared. Upon clicking share, you'll see a link setting that says anyone with the link can edit. Give it a click and you'll be taken to a menu that will allow you to adjust permissions. In this menu, you need to find and toggle off the option that says anyone. By doing so, you're limiting access to people who have the direct link and the password you'll set in a moment. It's an additional security layer that ensures only authorized individuals can access your content. Now here comes the key step, setting a password. Please note that this feature is only available if you have a premium account. Enter a strong, memorable password that will serve as the gatekeeper to the file or folder you're protecting. Once your password is set and you're satisfied with all the settings, simply click Apply. This action saves your changes and applies the new access settings, and that's it. Your file or folder is now password protected. By following these steps, you've taken a significant step towards securing your digital information. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe online.